Imagine being a parent, watching your child fight for their life and believing you're doing what's best, only to have the state take your child away. That's the heartbreaking reality facing an Oklahoma mom who's fighting to regain custody of her teenage daughter after she decided to end her chemotherapy in favor of natural cancer treatments. The case has sparked national debate over parental rights, medical freedom, and child welfare. According to reports, the teen was undergoing chemotherapy for a rare type of cancer, but began suffering severe side effects that made her mother reconsider the path of traditional medicine. After consulting with alternative health practitioners, she opted to stop the treatment, a decision that quickly caught the attention of hospital staff and child protective services. Now, what began as a medical choice has turned into a legal and emotional battle no family ever wants to face. The mother insists she wasn't neglecting her child's health, but rather exploring holistic methods that she believed could help her daughter heal without the painful toll of chemotherapy. Supporters argue that parents should have the right to choose treatment options for their children, especially when they believe those choices are safer and more compassionate. However, medical professionals stress that halting cancer treatment mid-therapy can drastically reduce survival chances, making intervention by authorities necessary. This moral and medical tug-of-war has drawn strong reactions on social media, with some accusing the state of overreach, while others say children's lives must be protected above all else. The mother's attorney has stated that her client is cooperating with the court, but stands firm in her belief that natural healing approaches deserve respect. Court documents reveal that the Oklahoma Department of Human Services intervened shortly after the hospital reported the mother's decision. The teen was placed under state custody and reportedly returned to medical care under court order. Legal experts explain that such cases fall under medical neglect, a category where parental decisions may endanger a child's life. Still, each case is unique and emotionally charged, often forcing judges to balance compassion with medical evidence. In interviews, the mother tearfully described her daughter's suffering during chemo and her fear that continuing would do more harm than good. "I just wanted to protect her," she said. "I wasn't trying to deny her treatment. I was trying to save her in a different way." Her statement has resonated with parents nationwide who feel torn between trusting medical systems and following their instincts. Medical experts involved in the case have emphasized that while natural remedies may offer comfort, they cannot replace chemotherapy's proven effectiveness against aggressive cancers. Pediatric oncologists say they often face families hesitant about conventional treatment because of fears about toxicity and side effects. These concerns are understandable, they add, but abandoning treatment completely can be fatal. Some hospitals have started integrating complementary therapies, such as nutrition counseling and stress management, alongside chemo to help families feel more in control. Still, in the eyes of the law, when a child's life is at risk, the state has a duty to intervene. Meanwhile, advocacy groups for medical freedom continue to push for reform, arguing that parents should not lose custody simply for seeking alternative care paths. As the case moves through Oklahoma's family court system, the mother remains determined to bring her daughter home. She's publicly thanked supporters who have rallied around her, sharing her story on crowdfunding platforms, and calling for policy changes that would give parents more autonomy in medical decisions. "No one loves my child more than I do," she said in a recent statement. "All I want is the chance to care for her the way I believe is right." The outcome of this case could set a precedent for future disputes between families and the medical establishment. It also raises broader questions about trust, science, and how far the government should go when it comes to protecting children's health. For now, the mother's message is one of hope, that someday she and her daughter can be reunited under the same roof, healthy and whole once again.